Hi there, this is Jennifer with Brome Fields, and today I'm going to show you how I create my seam whenever I knit the garter stitch. I have made a pair of leg warmers here in a charcoal color, and I know it's a little difficult to see on the video, however that's kind of the purpose also when wearing them. But that is the seam that I'm creating, and I want to show you guys how I do that real quick. Super easy. It's 2 steps. So it is really, really easy. I'm going to see if I can get a little closer here and put my hand back there. So maybe that'll create some contrast. All right. So in this last stitch, I did a purl row. So now I'm going to go into the valleys and do the knit row. So what I'm doing is I ended on this side closest to me. So I'm going to go across and down, over and up, and pull it through. So yep, I'm going across, and I bring it a little tight. Now I'm going to go into the purl rows. And I'm going to keep those purl rows together. So I'm going to go across my work. So I ended on this side that's closer to me. I'm going across into that purl stitch. And then I'm going to go into the purl stitch closer to me. So I'm going into both of those purl stitches. And that's it. Those 2 stitches I want to just repeat. So every time I'm going across and down and up. And I'm going across, down, and down, technically. But into both of those purl stitches. So on this side here, I want to make sure that I'm going into the inside of that knit stitch. And then I'm only going up into 1 knit stitch on this side. So I'm just grabbing 1 stitch. And then I'm going down into the purl stitch. And whenever, sometimes I get a little confused and I want to go into this side stitch over here, I want to make sure I'm up on top. So I'm bringing those 2 purl stitches together. And I make it a little on the tight side. And that's what it looks like. So it just really comes together nicely. I might end up doing another video with a lighter color so you can see it a little better. But these are the leg warmers in particular that I'm making. I already did the first one and I was so happy with the way, I mean, that's my seam. And you can hardly see it. So I was very happy with the way it came out. So I wanted to show you guys how I did it with these leg warmers in particular. I personally love to knit with this charcoal color. I love to wear it. I like dark colors and grays. So it's just what I like to wear. So I know that I'm not the only one that likes to wear charcoal. It's one of my more popular colors that sells. So I'm assuming that a lot of people like to wear it. So I just want to show what it looks like whenever you use this color in particular, just because I feel like it is a popular color to wear. So that is my garter stitch seam. So I hope you guys found that to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching.